guys how I cut my own hair since we're all in quarantine and we cannot go to the barber. So yeah, but actually I've been cutting my own hair ever since middle school. That has been like 6 years. I've also cut my friend's hair, and I've also been cutting my parents' their hair like ever since middle school too. So I actually do have some experience. I'm not going to do something scary or something dangerous, so don't be scared. It will turn out fine. So yeah, let's go. What are you gonna need? You're gonna need some elastics, a pair of scissors. I prefer like actual barber scissors, and do not use like your kitchen scissor, cause that shit won't work. Like honey, those don't work. Like these are the ones that you need. I got these. No, my auntie got them for me in Singapore because she lives there, and she brought them with her for me because I needed to do the job, like cut my parents' hair. So that's why I got them. A comb. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna tie up like the hair that you want to cut. Like, of course, we are going to like adjust it a bit, but just cut the ends that you're sure you want to cut off. For me, it's about this length, because I'm a pussy and I don't dare to cut my hair longer than that. Because I love my long hair and I don't dare to do that shit. I'm scared. I think it's around this. Oh, I already like divided my hair like into sections, so that's why I'm just going straight forward in. Okay, Hannah, there's no going back. You're just going to do this. Oh my god, I'm so freaking scared. Oh my god. Okay. I've actually done this a lot of times. Why am I so scared right now? Ah! Oh my god. So that's the first one. Oh god. Ah, I cut my head. Oh my god. Well, that's the other half. So, no clickbait, guys. I really cut my hair. So, yeah, that's. Oh my fucking god, it's so short. Jeez. Oh my god, it's bleeding. Well, I'm going to like adjust it a bit. So I'll be right back when I'm finished that. After I cut off the piece that I just needed to cut off, like the split ends or something, I'm going to divide my hair like this. I know it looks really weird, but it's really the way how I do it. Like, so only if you do it like this, you can make it even, or you can cut it in like a triangle form, and that's what I want. So I'm going to like adjust it a bit. Never cut straight, always cut like this, like upwards.
Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard. Now I'm just wondering where we are.
I think I'm okay with this. Oh, also the reason why I divided this one is because I don't want to cut my front bangs hair, because that doesn't look cute. So after I finish, I just lose my hair.
Oh my god, it's so freaking short.
So yeah, that's how I cut my hair. I'm going to jump in the shower and I will come back when I'm done. So guys, I just finished my shower and this is how it turned out. I know it looks like it doesn't have any layers, but actually I do. Like, hold up. See you next time, guys.